Hi everybody, this is Mirav, and today I'm going to talk to you about the settings page of iJoomla ad agency for geo-targeting. This is how it looks like on the back end, and this is how it looks like on the front end. And it applies, every field here applies to something here on the front end. So let's start from the top. We have here two options when adding geo-targeting to a banner or an ad. On the top we have add location targeting, and at the bottom we have select an existing geo channel. Now you can choose to show both of these options or just one of them or none of them. And the way you do it is here on top you can see that you have allow advertisers to add their own geo targeting, and this option is here, the top one. The second one is allow advertisers to select from existing geo channels, and this is the second option here. Now they're both checked by default, but if you don't want to allow them to create their own channels, or if you don't want them to select from existing channels, just uncheck the option you don't want to show. And if you don't want to show anything, just don't uncheck those options. Don't check those options. Make them unchecked and save. Now, further down, it shows you continent, latitude and longitude, country, everywhere by state, by city, area code, etc. And this applies when you select the first option here. This is the drop down that you have here. Each of these items apply to the items over here. So for example, if you only want to show by country, state, and city, you can uncheck the rest of the options. Let's give it a try. I'm going to uncheck everything, I'm going to apply, and I'm going to check it on the. Now you can see that I only have this option on the front end. And that's actually an option I recommend. Just to keep it simple, you don't necessarily need by continent, latitude, and longitude. But of course, whatever you need, you can do. Just specify which terms you want them to be able to use, and that's what it's going to show on the front end. Now, as far as the channel is concerned, you'll see only public channels here. And what is a public channel? If you go to Channels Manager, you can see that some of the channels are public and some of them are private, only for the back end. And what it means is that if you every time the advertiser adds a channel like here from this option, it will add a channel here, but it will be by default private. It's not going to be public. But if an advertiser adds a channel from the back end, it will automatically be public, and it will be one of the channels shown here on the list for all the advertisers to choose. So this is it about the settings of geo channels of iJoomla Ad Agency. Thanks for watching.